Welcome to episode 3 of HubSpot for Beginners. I'm Cassie from Neighborhood, and today we're keeping it simple: how to move a deal from one stage to another. If you've ever wondered how to keep your deal pipeline up to date without breaking a sweat, this one's for you. So first up, we're going to head over to our deal pipeline. So we're going to head over to CRM, then Deals. And then from here, you've got a few different ways you can look at your deal pipeline. So currently, I'm looking at it from a board view. So the first thing that you can do is just the simple drag and drop. Once it's no longer a new lead and you are contacting it, you can just move it over to contacting, or whatever deal stage you have, of course. Alternatively, you can actually open up the deal and you can just update the stage directly from it at any point if you've already got the record open. Another way that you can do it, if you are more of a spreadsheet kind of person, you can change your board view to a table view. And this way you can just see it all in a list, and you can just click on the deal stage and update it there. The cool thing with this is that you can select multiple deals and update all of them in bulk to one deal stage if you need to as well. So making these changes automatically saves the update, so you don't need to go hit any extra buttons. In order to make sure your sales process is running smoothly, make sure that you're keeping this pipeline up to date regularly. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed by all of this, book a chat with us with the link in the description. Next up, we'll dive into customizing your deal stages so your pipeline works for you. See you in episode 4.